Hey guys, just want to let you know where we're at on installing these suspension components. First, lower control arms are in. These are the solid mounts, and then these are the upgraded, these are the UPR coilover mounts. And if you look here, I had somebody that asked about these BMR torque box reinforcements. You'll see how they go right into this is your upper, and then they supply a longer bolt that goes through, and then you'll see the arm that feeds back here to the frame where I have to drill out the frame, and you run some bolts through, and it ties this whole upper. Obviously, when you launch the car and the torque box wants to pull this way, then obviously you got this brace, and then there is this other brace right here will go across from this side to the other. But you can see it's there's the other side that's all kind of temporarily up in place while I'm marking it. And that's that. The lower control arms. And then the only thing I had to do was I do have to rerun this battery cable, because there was a hole. It came down right here, so I'll just re-drill through the floor right here with a grommet somewhere next to where it came through originally, and run the battery cable back up that way. So otherwise, that's kind of where we're at with these BMR uppers. As you can see where they attach to the frame. So we'll mark that and drill it through on both sides, and that's really about all that's left to do. And then we'll be ready to. Here's our coilovers. I got those all set up, ready to go. Now on these, so the sleeve goes over your strain shocks, and then of course this comes in the kit. Your springs are separate. And what you do have to do, you'll have to cut off the dust sleeve, and then this is at the top of your shock absorber. And so you'll see in the instructions where you have to take a zip wheel, you have to cut that off, and then cut down. So there's a couple of small little tack welds, and I just took the pliers and just bent it, and they popped off. So that needs to be cut off the top of your shock, which is up here like this. Those have to come off to make room for the coilover. It's very easy. I just used a razor blade for this, and then you got to use a cutoff wheel for this, and a pair of pliers. And then those are all, as you see, that's where the metal dust shield is here, and then the plastic dust shield goes over here. And then you're ready to put them back in. Now these, you have to put O-rings on these sleeves, and then these slide over so they're nice and tight and they won't wiggle around. Of course, you just adjust your ride height here. So that's all pretty easy, and then just pick out whatever kind of spring you want. So those are about ready to go in. And we're just down to the nitty-gritty. One thing you will have to do, and it wasn't in the directions, so maybe different Fox body 8.8s are different, but this top bolt here where the bracket was, let me show you this. This is the stock bracket right here. So you see the little hook. That's all. There's a little hole for this hook right here. You will have to drill that out, I think, with like a 1/2 inch bit or 3/8 or something to get this bolt to go through, because now the car's weight is not riding on the spring here. It's all riding back here. So this needs to be beefed up with a bigger bracket and bigger bolts. So make sure you do that. And again, on mine, this bolt didn't fit through, so I did have to drill that out. And then the only other thing, we got to drill these out here on both sides. And you do have, there's one bracket up here for, this has to be, this bracket here is riveted in, so that's got to be drilled out from the floor. And so this top bar right here, so this top bar can go across there. So I know that's probably not real good view, but it's hard to probably lay down and get that in there. So anyway, we're coming along. I may run up to Ace Hardware and get some better drill bits for drilling through the frame. I know that's going to be tough to drill through, so we'll see. But really coming down to the last little bit. We'll get this squared away and we'll be ready to go. Hopefully make it to the track. Alright guys, thank you.